Okay, welcome back. This is my next video. So I have the butter and chocolate chips melted down. Remember, it is about 1,050 well, it's about 850 calories already. Not 800, excuse me, 1,850 calories already. I have the butter and chocolate chips melted down. So we're gonna put this aside, turn this off, and then next I'm gonna mix in sugar. So I have a cup of sugar, a cup of white sugar. That is 798 calories. That's almost as much calories as I had yesterday making that salad. It's just in sugar alone right there. So I have the white sugar. I put it in the bowl, this large bowl. And then I have a fourth of a cup of brown sugar, which is roughly 360 calories right there. 360 calories. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in there. And then what I'm gonna do is whisk it. Let me put these dishes here in the sink. Okay, so I'm just gonna whisk it right here. You wanna bring it in closer, show what it looks like. I'm getting all these little lumps out. See, I'm trying to get all these lumps out. Sometimes your brown sugar will come in lumpy. Just break those lumps out. Okay, next I'm going to pour, we have eggs. So it's 203 eggs, 260 calories. Each egg is roughly 72 calories. These are large size eggs, protein. It's like the healthiest thing in here. So I'm gonna do one egg at a time and then whisk it in. One. Also, when I cook, I take my time. I get it done when it gets done. There's no rush. That's when people talking about how they put love into their food. That's what they're talking about. It's no rush. You want to cook right, kind of takes time. Tell you again. And then I'm gonna whisk my third egg in, excuse me. I don't want these clips no more than 10 minutes long, so let me know when that's 10 minutes is up. Cool. You want about this texture right here? You can actually try it, taste. It tastes like sweet goo. And then I'm gonna put some salt. I have no calories really in salt. I have a half a teaspoon of salt. We're gonna put that in there. I guess salt gives it a little bit of flavor. That beep you heard means my oven's ready, but we'll put this in when this is ready. It takes time. Next is vanilla. Vanilla's flavor, very flavorful. Gives it its flavor. So a tablespoon of vanilla. Pour that in here. Give it a whisk. Next, so remember the chocolate I had with the butter in it? We're gonna put that in there as well. Here, put it on me real quick. You get us a little quick taste. Not bad, tastes pretty good. It tastes like a really sweet chocolate. One of these things is with these guys right here. These are better because it gets all the sides up versus the little wooden spatula I had. These are better for this part right here, but for mixing, you're better off using something wooden so you don't get burned. Okay. Side note, when you're doing your dishes, you might want to you should always put water in your dish so when this hardens up, it won't get hardened up. And it's easy to clean. If you just leave this with no water in there, it'll harden up and it'll be a pain to clean if you wash dishes. Just out of courtesy, you should do it. All right. I'll stir this all up. Okay, here's a little trick of the trade right here. I like to use a strainer thing. It's got right here, and this is where I put okay, so I have a half a cup of all-purpose flour. This is about 200 calories right here. We're gonna put this in here. All right, here we go. And then we have cocoa powder. And this is the 4th cup of cocoa powder, and it is 80 calories right here. So what I'm doing is putting this in this little sifter thing, and what it does is it just breaks down the flour, so there's no chunks. Makes a smoother brownie. I actually took these from other cooking shows and stuff. If you want, you can just pour it in there, but again, I like to put a little love into my cooking, so I take my time. Chunks in there. Okay, now I'm going to stir this all in. So I will do this one, and then the next video will show it pouring in. So you see how I'm just slowly mixing it in? I'm handing doing. You don't really need a blender. Not a blender, but a mixer. I mean, if you want to, you can use a mixer, but you can also do this by hand as well. I'm gonna show me my face. I'm gonna cut this video off and mix this well, and then the next clip you'll see this mixed well, and I'll put it in the pan, and you'll just see the next clip when it's ready, when I'm ready with this. You can just cut it.